nature, vlog,
culture,
history, PN channel. Good morning, Internet. It's the early morning of July 22nd, 2026. The campsite is still asleep, wrapped in silence, but we're already awake, getting everything ready for another day on the road. From where we are now, it's at least 100 kilometers out to Langarica, provided we don't get tempted to make a few extra detours through the mountains along the way. And knowing us, that's always a possibility. Today we'll take the slow road through the mountains of southeastern Albania, letting the journey unfold at its own pace. Along the way, we'll do our best to capture the breathtaking landscapes, the winding mountain roads, and the quiet beauty that makes this part of the country so unforgettable. This is our first time driving along this route through the mountains of southeastern Albania. Like every new road, it brings a sense of curiosity, adventure, and the excitement of discovering places we've never seen before. We're slowly descending from the Langarica Canyon. In just a few moments, we'll join Albania's SH-75 National Road and continue our journey toward Leskovik. The canyon lies about 24 kilometers from the town of Permit, but our road won't take us back there today. Instead, we'll continue deeper into the mountains, following a route that promises new landscapes and new discoveries. We've now joined Albania's SH-75 National Road. For much of the journey, the Vjosa River flows alongside us on our right, adding another layer of beauty to the drive. Whenever we find a safe place to pull over without disrupting traffic, we'll stop to share some of the stunning panoramas that make this route so special. The deeper we travel into the mountains of southeastern Albania, the fewer people we see. Traffic becomes lighter, the roads grow quieter, and nature slowly takes over, surrounding us with a sense of peace that's hard to find elsewhere. Up ahead, we need to pass an oncoming vehicle at this narrow bend. The road leaves very little room, so we'll stop for a moment and let it pass. On mountain roads like these, a little patience goes a long way, and safety always comes first. This side road leads to the village of Bang Kalud, part of the Patrans administrative area near Permit. Like many villages hidden among these mountains, it offers a glimpse into the quiet rural life of southern Albania. The mountain rising in front of us offers a truly spectacular view. Unfortunately, there's no safe place to pull over along this stretch of road. We'll keep driving and hope to find a better spot ahead where we can stop and fully appreciate the scenery and share it with you. We're making a short stop here because Theodore isn't feeling very well after all the winding mountain roads. Sometimes that's simply part of traveling through the highlands. We'll take a few minutes to rest, enjoy the fresh mountain air, and then continue our journey. This sign points to the village of Strembek. We're not entirely sure whether we're already in the village itself or if the sign simply marks the turnoff, with the village lying across the river on the lower slopes of Mount Nemerska. Either way, it's another reminder of how many small mountain communities are tucked away in this beautiful landscape. The Vijosa River has been our constant companion throughout every kilometer we've traveled this morning. Flowing beside the road, it reminds us that in Albania, some of the most memorable journeys are shaped not only by the destination, but also by the rivers that guide the way. the road begins to climb once again, carrying us higher into the mountains. With every winding turn, the scenery becomes more dramatic, revealing new valleys, rugged peaks, and ever wider views across the southeastern highlands of Albania.
Por si ambli fladierës shëllmongjit e drandofilit. Por si vala e bregut detit, por si gjamer fes gjetare, por si ushtima e një tërmetit, njashtu a gjuha jon shqiptare. Po e ambel fjale saj, por si gjumi më një kërti, por si drita plotu zdaj, por si gazi pa mashtri, edhe ndijet tu e kumbue, por si fleta i kerubinit, ka i bjen qjelve tu e flutruen, zjartat vale ta më shimit.
We thought this might be a good place to stop for a short break, but the parking area is simply too small. So we'll keep moving and look for a safer, more spacious spot further along the road. As you can see, the road continues to climb, winding its way higher into the mountains. With every kilometer, the landscape opens up a little more, rewarding the journey with ever-changing views.
Do ta gëzojnë këta djalë mbas djali.
Here's a convenient pull-off where we can safely park for a moment. It's the perfect opportunity to take a short break, stretch our legs, and enjoy the beautiful mountain scenery around us. Down below, the Vjosa River winds its way through the valley, while the mountains of the Gjirokastër region rise on the horizon before us. The song of the cicadas has been our constant soundtrack throughout the journey, filling the warm summer air and adding to the timeless atmosphere of these southern landscapes.
Ta ktheva Kosovë shpinë, hej more lash bore gjeta dimën, por si uj që del nga ura, hej more por si bora në përcura, por si bari në për livade, si ortek që bjen në male.
We set off again, continuing our journey through the mountains. The road ahead is still waiting to reveal new landscapes and unexpected moments along the way. Up here at these higher elevations, there are no villages nearby and no road signs pointing to them. The landscape is almost completely untouched, with only the mountains, the winding road, and the silence of nature accompanying us on this part of the journey. The climb continues, but now with a gentle gradient that allows the car to move comfortably. The engine doesn't have to work too hard, giving us the chance to enjoy the drive and the mountain scenery around us. This sign shows that we are now in the Charsove administrative area. Here the road runs close to the Greek border, which lies on the other side of the Vjosa River. The landscape around us is shaped by mountains, the river valley, and the quiet borderlands of southeastern Albania. The communities in this area follow the Byzantine Christian tradition, reflecting the rich cultural and historical heritage of southeastern Albania.
I ku vajza në qytet E lafshatin që pak dir Bie tokës këtë fjesht I tha djalit lam tu mir Lam tu mir Lam tu mir I dashur djal Kështu fati e pas ka shkrua Në kujtime të mban Si atëherë të dashuruar Si atëherë të dashuruar Jali s'foli më se puthi syta ti mbytën lot
After hundreds of kilometers where the Vjosa River has been our constant companion, yesterday and today, the time has come to say goodbye to its valley. Here, near the border with Greece, the Vjosa begins its journey into Albania, entering the country from Greek territory and continuing through some of the most beautiful landscapes of the south. From here, our route changes direction toward the northeast as we leave the Vjosa Valley behind and continue our journey toward Leskovik. The mountains remain our companions, guiding us through a quieter and more remote part of southeastern Albania. It turns out there are thermal mineral springs here as well. I had never heard of this place before, which makes the discovery even more exciting. Albania is a country of remarkable natural wealth, where hidden wonders seem to appear around almost every corner. From this point on, the road is all uphill. Our destination, the mountain town of Leskovik, sits at an elevation of about 900 meters above sea level. With every turn, we're getting closer to one of Albania's highest and most peaceful towns, surrounded by the rugged beauty of the southeastern mountains. The vegetation up here is remarkably similar to what you'd find in northern Albania. We stopped for a moment because I noticed a black pine, a tree that instantly reminded me of the country's northern mountain forests. The mountain road keeps getting steeper, but so far my car's engine is handling the climb with ease. It continues to pull steadily, giving us the confidence to enjoy the drive and focus on the spectacular scenery around us. According to the car's GPS, we're now just 7 minutes away from Leskovik. After a long drive through rivers, valleys, and mountain roads, we're finally approaching today's destination. We've stopped at a natural spring to cool off for a few minutes. After the long mountain climb, it's a welcome chance to refresh ourselves and let the car enjoy a short break as well before we continue the final stretch to Leskovik. From this elevation, the mountain views are truly breathtaking. Layer upon layer of rugged peaks stretch toward the horizon, reminding us just how wild, vast, and beautiful Albania's southeastern highlands really are. Theodore is giving me a helping hand as we give the car a quick wash. Moments like these may be simple, but they often become some of the most memorable parts of a family road trip.
Guys, you're a miracle.
Really?
Yes.
We're back on the road. According to the GPS, Leskovik is now just a few minutes away. After a long climb through the mountains, we're about to reach another destination on our journey across southeastern Albania. It looks like we've made it. The first houses of Leskovik are now coming into view, a welcome sight after the long mountain drive. We park beneath the shade of a majestic plane tree and step out to explore the town. After today's journey through the mountains, it's time to slow down, stretch our legs, and discover what Leskovik has to offer. Leskovik is a small mountain town with a long and fascinating history. During the 19th century, it was an important commercial and administrative center on the route connecting southern Albania with Greece. Today, although much quieter than in its past, the town still preserves its traditional character, surrounded by the beautiful mountains of southeastern Albania. This is the bust of Ajani Vreto, a leading figure of the Albanian national awakening. Born near Leskovik, He dedicated his life to promoting the Albanian language, education, and national identity. We still have a long way to go before reaching Erseka. For now, we'll take a break here in Leskovik, enjoy some lunch, and then continue our journey later this afternoon. Our journey to Erseka will continue in the next episode. As this video has reached its end, thank you for traveling with us this far. If you enjoyed the journey, don't forget to join us again for the next episode as we continue exploring the beautiful mountains of southeastern Albania. If you'd like to support our journey, please consider subscribing to the channel. It really helps us create more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next adventure.
Imagine if someone kidnapped me.